Hi, so lesson 8 of the mini form is kind of the second half of its step forward, reflect on, intercept and punch. So I do last week's and this week's together again in this lesson. So let's just start from the beginning of the short mini form and we'll just do the form into that lesson and then we'll work on the lesson. So arms resting at the sides of the body. Just allow yourself to relax and we sink and let the hands come to float on cushions of air. Allow the arms to float up and float down. Then bring the weight into the right foot as we make a ball with the right hand on top. Step onto the heel of the left, ward off with the left, sink the right hand down. Turn the waist to the right. Back to the left, and as the left hand sinks down, the right hand comes to the heart. Slide the left foot back as we turn to the centre and then turn left again and sink the right hand down. Turn right and open up. Step with the left, brush past the left knee and sink forward to push. Keep turning left. Bring the weight into the back foot as we turn right and back to the centre. Play guitar. Turn right and open up again. Turn back, folding the left hand over, brush past the knee and sink forward. So now sit back, turning on the heel of the left. We did this last lesson. Sink into the left foot and bring the right, pick up the right foot, sink into it as the fist comes to the hip. So then we turn to the left and step forward with the left foot and punch with the right. And I need to be back a bit further for that, sorry about that. Then we will go from here. So from brush left knee and push, we sit back turning on the heel of the left. Make a fist with your right hand. Pick up the right foot as you pick up the fist. The two arms come up. We bring the right foot down on the heel. Sink into the right foot. Now when your fist is at the hip and your weight's on the right foot, you'll feel how that back foot is a bit locked. So we turn to the left to release that back foot. Step forward with the left foot, and as we sink into the left foot, the right hand comes in to punch. So I'm going to do that facing this way so you can see it fully. So from brush left knee and push, we sit back and the hands float down to the sides of the body. As we sink into the left foot, we've made a fist with the right hand, the hands come up, we bring the foot down and sink into the right foot. Now the back foot is going to feel locked at this point. So we turn to the left to release the back foot, step forward and sink into the front foot to punch. So the second half is this from here, just stepping forward and punching. But I always prefer to do this as one whole thing once you've done the first half because it's easier to connect it. So I'll do it facing this way and then I'll turn my back to you so you can copy me as well. So we've just done brush left knee and push. So we sit back into the back foot, turning on the heel of the left. As you're coming forward, you're making a fist with the right hand and the two hands come up. The right foot comes down. It's like you're turning a corner into that right foot. Feel the weight in the right foot and then turn to the left. Pick up the left foot, step into it and bring the right hand forward to punch. So from further back here. So sit back turning on the heel of the left. Sink into the left foot and we pick up the right foot. Bring it down, sink into the right foot. Fist comes to the hip. Step forward with the left, punch with the right. And again, bring the left. So we sit back and we turn the whole body to the left on the heel of the left foot. Bring your weight under the ground into the left foot, make a fist with the right and stepping forward to the corner, we sink into the right foot. Now feel how your back foot gets stuck here. And then we turn left to release that back foot. Step forward with the left and as you sink into the left foot, the right hand turns back to punch. So I do it from behind and if you've been at the class you'll have, you know, an idea of you'll know the hands and you can just stick with me. So weight in the left, sitting back we turn on the heel to the corner, the hands come down to the sides of the body. Make a fist with the right hand, pick up the right foot, sink into the right as the fist comes to the hip, turn to the left, step forward with the left, punch with the right. So let's do that. We'll do 3 more. So We're in the left foot. We sit back as we turn on the heel of the left to the corner. And then as the hands come up, the right hand makes a fist and we pick up the right foot, bring it down looking to the other corner and sink into the right foot, fist coming to the hip. Turn to the left, release the back foot, step forward with the left and punch straight ahead with the right. One more. In the left. Sit back, turning on the heel of the left to the corner. Make a fist with your right hand, pick up the right foot, put it down and sink into the right foot as the fist comes to the hip. Turn left and step forward with the left and sink into the left as we punch with the right. Step forward, deflect down, intercept and punch. So let's do that whole mini form to there together. So we sink. Allow the arms to float up and float down. Bring the weight into the right foot as we make a ball. Step left onto the heel of the left, ward off with the left as the right hand sinks down. Turn right and left. Back into the right as the right hand comes up to the forward for white crane spreads wings. We turn left again and float the right hand down. Turn right and open up. Step with the left, brush past the knee and sink forward push. Turn left into the back foot as we turn right, pick up the left foot, down on the heel to play guitar, and we turn right and open up again. Step out with the left for brush left knee and push. And now this one, sit back, turning on the heel of the left. Make a fist with the right hand as we step forward with the right and bring the fist to the hip, and then we step forward with the left, sink into the left as the right hand punches. Okay, so almost to the end of the mini form. I hope that helps your practice and I shall talk to you soon. See you soon. Bye for now.